Alright, welcome to Auto Garage Life, and today we're going to be doing the simplest repair you can do yourself at home. Don't pay $7.99 at shops to get this done, because we're going to be replacing the wiper blades. Very, very easy. Get yourself a set of these Bosch ones. There's the number there, A949S. Both the same length, 650mm or 26 inches, and these are going on super easy. This video won't even last 5 minutes. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing you've got to do is you've got to get the wipers in the service position, because you cannot open them up like that. With the bonnet down or the hood down, they won't come up enough. Dead easy. Get your butt in the car, turn the ignition on once, and the wipers hit the top of the window, turn the ignition off, like so. Turn the wipers off, key out. Now you can access the wipers to change the blades. These are honestly the easiest wipers to change in the history of wiper blades. Flick that up. Watch this, one-handed. This flicks round to there, and it simply slides off. Absolute doddle. It's just a slide-on fitting. These Bosch ones are exactly the same fitting. They just slide right on. They turn round. That clips in there. Wait, hey, do you even need a YouTube video for that? But there you go, I've done it anyway. The passenger one's exactly the same. No problem. Up they come. Swivel round. Off. Good old Bosch wiper blades. Love them. Slide in. And slide round. There we go. Uno, duo. The old ones, these were actually genuine Merc ones, you can see there. So if you're really picky about having the little Mercedes symbol in your wiper blades, feel free to go and spend the money at the dealership for these ones. But really, those Bosch ones were 23 quid or something off Amazon for the pair. Easy peasy pie. Turn the ignition on and they return to their position by themselves. Check the operation of your wiper blades. Oh, lovely. Excellente. So there we go. Save yourself a few bucks. Don't pay whatever it is for fitting for a Mercedes SL. Just do it yourself. It takes you 2 seconds. Anyone can do it. No problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao.